Hello all the charming people, my name is Pooja and you're watching Stay Charming. In today's video, I'm going to make this amazing bang hairstyle without cutting, without trimming our hair. So you enjoy the video, I'll meet you in the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really liked it, please press that like button, share this video with your friends, also subscribe to my channel to become part of the charming family. Don't forget to hit that bell button right next to it to get notification of future videos. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. I'll meet you in next video. Till then, stay happy, stay charming, bye bye, take care.